Hey guys, Matt here. So we got a problem. Now, I want to start things off here with my portfolio. Now, we're going to get into the individual stocks in a minute, but first I got to show you how bad it is. Like, we got absolutely wrecked by the day and especially by the month. I mean, NASDAQ and Dow, they did not have good days either. I mean, we got the NASDAQ, which by the year is approaching 30%, so that's crash levels. Like, we're not doing well. And the catalyst for the day is one of the stocks I own. FedEx. Now, you probably heard about this today, but if you didn't, FedEx issued a warning prior to its earnings next week, talking about a weakening global demand. And FedEx is the supply chain. Well, it's not literally the entire supply chain, but I mean, it is a major part of the domestic and the global supply chain. And when FedEx issues a warning like this, like it is a cold, hard reality check. I mean, if we scroll down here, now, it releases earnings and its revenue ahead of time, which is not a good move. Now, revenue was a bit of a miss, yeah. But I think what everyone is spooked over is the earnings. Like, look at this. 344 versus 514 expected. Like, that wasn't just a miss. That was a robbery. I mean, who hurt you, FedEx? Gosh, dang it, man. And I think this is, like I said, this is a cold, hard reality check that things are nowhere close to over. I mean, FedEx, like I said, is a supply chain. And when the supply chain is having that many issues, especially with inflation and earnings and the rising cost of gas and all that stuff, like, that means every other part of the economy is going to feel it. And so that means, like, I mean, that signals to investors and economists and everyone that, yeah, we are in this for the long haul. Like, we are nowhere close to better. And FedEx got absolutely slaughtered today, along with so many other stocks. Now, I know you can't see all the way over here, but you, like, on a 52-week range, like, there are so many of my stocks, and maybe some of your stocks, which are just hugging that 52-week low, and some of them hitting multi-year lows. Like, and that's part of my problem, is that there are so many. Now, if you're a sub to my channel, like, you're probably a long-term investor. So I don't need to tell you that, yes, short-term price fluctuations don't matter because we're in this for the long haul, yada, yada, yada. You already know that. The point I'm trying to make is that there are so many of my stocks right now which are in very pristine conditions, like very ripe conditions for buying. Like, we have FedEx. Now, unfortunately, I can't make a video solely about FedEx without, and have it actually get views on YouTube. My channel isn't that big, but FedEx is one of my favorite stocks, and I never thought I'd see FedEx this low. This is very ripe for buying. We also got Google, which may go below $100 next week. And then we also got Meta, which is, I never thought I'd see Meta below 150, but here we are. And I have so many opportunities, and unfortunately, I don't have the infinite money cheat. I don't have all the money in the world to spend into these. So how I usually invest is every month I put in about $3,000 into Fidelity, and if I'm that every week, every Monday I put $300 into a growth stock, and every Wednesday or Thursday I put $300 into a value stock. But the problem is that all these stocks are looking like value stocks. So I don't know if I want to rethink my strategy or not. Like, I have so many ripe opportunities, but I don't have all the money in the world. I can't put significant amount of money into each of these every week and have it actually matter. So I don't know if I want to stick to my plan or if I want to just, like, put $600 in a week into one stock instead of dividing it up. And if so, which stock? Yeah, I got a lot to think about. Like, there are opportunities abound. Now, there probably aren't too many wrong answers here. Now, I do want to stick to stocks that are generating cash flow. Now, we all know I'm into Gevo, but, like, and Gevo so far has not done anything wrong, at least this year or last year. But for now, since I got so many other opportunities, I need to stick my money to companies that are making money right now. Now, what I've been doing so far is I've been putting my money, each week into Google, and then for my value stock, I've been putting money into Walgreens. I've been putting money into Intel because Intel's hitting multi-year lows. I've been putting money into SCHD. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But anyways, take care, have a great day, and eat your vegetables.